Hello, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Today we talk about the topic about Article 14 of the Constitution. Let us talk about what is Article 14. Article 14 basically states that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws with the territory of India, to treat all citizens equally in the basic concept of liberalism, and Article 14 ensures the same to our citizens to liberty of any person is directly connected to the equality he or she is getting in sociality. Now, Article 14 is divided in three parts. First is equality before law, second is equal protection of law, and the third one is access to justice. Equality before law divided in two parts, not absolute or similar to rule of law. Equal protection of law talks about positive concept, and access to justice talk about equality in front of judicial system. What is equality before law? Equality before law basically means that all persons should be treated equally no matter whether they are poor or rich, male or female, upper caste or lower caste. This state cannot be provided any special privileges to anyone in the country. It is also known as legal equality. Now, equality before the law and absolute equality. In one hand, equality before law prohibits providing any special privilege to any committee or people. It does not talk about equal treatment in equal circumstances. According to it, there must be a very ideal condition, and the state does not need to interfere in society to providing additional privileges in society. On the other hand, right to equality is not absolute and has several exceptions to it. Accordingly, equal should be treated equally. Equality before law has several exceptions. For example, the immunity provides the president and governor. Reservation is also a typical example that defines that the right to equality is not absolute and can be restricted according to the need of the society. Now, in this famous case, State of West Bengal versus Anwar Ali Sarkar, the question of whether the right to equality is absolute not or not was raised. Here, Supreme Court held that the right to equality is not absolute. In this case, the State of Bengal was found to use its power arbitrarily to refer any case to the special court which was made by them. It was thus held that the act of State of Bengal violates the right to equality. Equality before the law and the rule of law. We have already discussed the equality before law in detail. Now we talk about the rule of law, which is given by Professor Dicey, says that no one here is beyond and above the law and is equal in front of the law. Rule of law guides every person the equality before the law. Now we talk about equal protection to the laws. This is one of the positive concept of equality. Equal protection of the law is incurred from Section 1 of the 14th Amendment of the Act in the US Constitution. According to the principle, everybody who resides in India should be treated equally, will get equal protection of the law. It guides all people inside the territory of India should be treated equally, and the state cannot deny it. Thank you for all. If any of the doubts has been arise, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.